Good morning, beautiful. This diffuser blend is for you. Waking up is not my favorite thing to do. So I make sure I start my morning off right with this diffuser blend, featuring coffee, which is as amazing as it smells, and the Beauty Within Essential Oil blend. Coffee essential oil is as good as it sounds. It helps wake you up and it smells like a fresh cup of coffee. Beauty Within is an essential oil blend that features myrrh, frankincense, rosemary, and lavender essential oil. It's a really calming one, and it's great to help me start my morning off right. For this diffuser blend, I'm going to add 2 drops of Beauty Within and 1 drop of coffee. Since I love this blend so much, I'm going to create a master blend using 60 drops of Beauty Within and 30 drops of coffee. And I've also got a label for it. To get these amazing oils, plus 2 more, this sticker sheet, plus 5 more amazing recipes, subscribe to our Simply Earth recipe box today.